Welcome to Everything English with John, the #1 place for YouTube English lessons. I'm John, and today we're going to talk about common expressions in English. Bite the bullet. Bob and Ed work at the same company. Bob is nervous about giving a presentation. He's preparing for it right now. I'm really dreading giving that presentation tomorrow. I know, it's nerve-wracking, but sometimes you just have to bite the bullet and go for it. Yeah, I just hope I don't freeze up or forget what I want to say. Don't worry, it's common to feel that way. Have you practiced a lot? I've gone over it a few times, but I don't think it's enough. I need more practice. Well, try to remember that the audience is there to hear what you have to say. Just take a deep breath and keep going. Quiz time. What does bite the bullet mean? Shoot a gun? Practice a lot. Decide to finally do something with confidence. Eat while you prepare for something. Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's C. Decide to finally do something with confidence. Teaching moment. Bob was dreading the presentation and felt nervous, but Ed told Bob to bite the bullet and face the situation with confidence. Sometimes we just have to do things that we don't want to do. Examples. The CEO decided to bite the bullet and lay off 10% of the company's workforce to improve profits. The soldier knew he had to bite the bullet and march forward, even though he was afraid to fight. The doctor advised the patient to bite the bullet and have surgery to fix the injury, rather than depending on medication. Vocabulary extras. To dread doing something. To be very afraid to do something. It's nerve-wracking. It makes me feel very nervous. Go for it. Just do it and don't think about it. To freeze up. To panic and stop moving. Thanks for watching Everything English with John. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more information or private classes, please visit my site, everythingenglishwithjohn.com.